Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss class 8 chapter cloud computing. Let's start our first topic, cloud. What is a cloud? It is not the cloud which you are thinking. The name is similar because of same functionality. Cloud in terms of computer. What is a cloud in terms of computer? So answer is cloud is something that is present at a remote location. Remote means an out of the way or in corner. In Hindi we can say asameep. So what cloud do? Cloud can provide service over the network. Different type of service it provide over the network. Cloud is defined as a set of hardware, networks, storage, interfaces and services combined together to deliver different aspects of computing over a network services. So it provides so many services in a different aspects of computing over a network. It work in a network, and for using the cloud computing we need an internet connection. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship all run in cloud. Google, Docs, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. are some example of free or low cost online storage for a user. So these are applications which is provide free of cost or low cost for storage or for working all the functions. Cloud computing. Now question is, what is a cloud computing? It is refers to manipulating, configuring and accessing the application online. So any application or anything for manipulation, configuring and accessing the application online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure and application. If you are using an Android phone, so you can see that if you will delete from your gallery, and if you will store in a Google photos, or if you are using Microsoft OneDrive, then doesn't matter from where you will delete. If you will delete from gallery, you just need an internet connection to retrieve it, but first you have to take a backup in your Google Photos or OneDrive or Dropbox, so your data will be saved there. One of the best example of cloud computing is Facebook, Instagram, that application which is social sites application which we used in our daily life. Most of you upload your photos, maintain albums, update status in Facebook or Instagram, or there are many other applications in real time, and these can be seen by your friend almost. Do you still follow the traditional way of attaching photo in an email and sending them to your friends? Answer will be no. Now we do not need to send personally images or videos. Just you have to upload in any social media platform, and there is no need of local storage or operating devices. Once you upload a photo, it stays there forever. Doesn't matter if you will delete from your phone or from your computer, one you have to upload it and it will be stay there. So where the photos are saving, that are saved in a cloud. Hope now you can understand this topic. What is a cloud computing? It is store the data storage outside of the mobile. You have to just take a backup, you have to insert your email, or you need an internet connection for retrieve your data. Next is characteristics of cloud computing. On demand self-service. Multiple clients can share the resources and application at the same time. Means multiple user can share the same application, same apps at the same times. Broad network access. Cloud computing simply means that the services can be accessed on the internet anytime, anywhere in the world through multiple devices such as mobile phones, tablet, laptop, etc. Means you can use that cloud computing anywhere, anytime. What you need, a internet connection, which I have already told you. Only you need an internet connection for using a cloud computing, and you can use with any devices, either it is mobile phones, tablet or laptop. One time if you are using in a mobile phone and by mistake you lost your mobile phone, you can use this cloud computing in your laptop also. You have to insert the same email ID and you can get your data in your laptop also. Resources pooling. Resources like virtual servers, space, network connection, bandwidth, etc. are pulled by multiple users simultaneously from any location without being interfered by the other user. So any type of resources we can take without interfere of the other user. Rapid elasticity. Sometimes consumers require additional resources in a small period of time. In such a scenario, cloud computing is the solution as it is enabled with the elasticity features. If for a 1 or 2 day you need to save data like 1 GB data or 2 GB data, and the next day if you don't need that data, so purchasing any hardware device like any chip, any hard disk, it will be costly. So what you have to do, you can save your data in a cloud computing for a certain time, and for like this it will give the function or features. There's a cloud computing feature. For a certain time you can save your data, or later you can delete it. So, that type of feature cloud computing provide. Measured services. Cloud computing based on pay for what you use model. So you have to pay what you have used. Next topic is types of cloud. First is public cloud. So public cloud is open for a general public. It has no boundaries and the cloud infrastructure can be used by anyone anywhere over the internet. So public cloud means it is used for general public. It can used by anyone anywhere. Next one is private cloud. Private cloud is owned and used by single organization over a private network. It centralizes the resources of the organization so that they can be accessed easily by its various department and office at the different location. Private cloud means one company purchase a cloud for their personal use, and their employees and their different department can use for their office use. So it is available for the private purpose. Only the company employee can use that for the company data storage. Hybrid cloud is combination of both private and public cloud. Next is community. Community cloud is used by group of consumer from different organization who share same concern, that is application security required, policy and efficiency demand. It may be owned, managed and operated by one or more of the organization. So shared by community, shared by several organizations, typically extremely hosted, but maybe can be internally hosted by one of the organizations. So public cloud can be used by anyone. Private cloud can use by particular company for their personal purpose. Hybrid is the combination of public or private, and community can be used by 2 or 3 organizations together for sharing the same data and application and same security requirement, policy required. So these are the 4 types of cloud. Hope it is clear. Last one is mobile cloud computing. Cloud computing offers such as smartphones that have rich internet media experience and require less processing, less power. In terms of mobile, cloud computing processing is done in cloud. data stored in cloud, and mobile devices serve as a media or display. As I have already told, that mobile computing, where we can store our data in a cloud and we can save our storage. We can easily store our images, video and PDF files or our document in a cloud computing. Up to 5 GB you will get the free storage, and after that you have to pay a less amount for storing, and whenever you want you can retrieve it. You do not need to manage it, you do not need to manipulate it. All will done by company. You have to just need an internet connection and you can easily retrieve your data anytime, anywhere. Just you need an internet connection. So in terms of mobile cloud computing, processing is done by in a cloud, data stored in a cloud, and mobile devices serve as a media for display. So you can, what is the benefit of storing data in a cloud? By mistake, if you have lost your mobile and you then after you will lost all your data also. So what you have to need in a new mobile, in a new laptop, just you need to enter a same email ID. If you will store your data in a cloud computing with inserting an email ID, just you need to give the same email ID in a new phone, and your all the data which you have stored in a cloud computing will come in your new mobile. With contact number, if you have saved, it will also come. If you have saved your videos, images and emails, all will come in your new mobile phone. So this is the features and benefits of cloud computing. Hope all these things are clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.